Hello, today I'll be discussing proxy marriage. A proxy marriage is a legal union where one or both individuals are not physically present at the ceremony, but they were represented by a substitute or a proxy. Now, these marriages are only valid if they adhere to the laws of the country where they are being performed. For example, in Nigeria, proxy marriages are legal and valid in Nigeria under the customary law, where a party does not need to be physically present at the wedding ceremony. Now, these marriages are also legally binding and recognized as a form of marriage within Nigeria, though they are distinct from civil marriages. However, in UK, proxy marriages are not permitted within this jurisdiction, but we may recognize them if they are legally performed or legally valid in the country of celebration. Now, before engaging in the proxy marriage, you need to thoroughly research and understand the marriage laws of the country where you plan to have the proxy ceremony. You also need to ensure that you receive all official documents and certifications proving that the marriage was performed legally. Then you also need to seek legal advice regarding the validity of your specific proxy marriage and ensure that it meets the requirements of the law. Now, so how do I prove that a proxy marriage is valid for a UK visa application? Number one, the proxy marriage must be valid in the country of marriage. That is, it must be fully legal and properly conducted according to the laws of the country it was performed. Also, both parties must have a legal capacity to enter into a marriage under the laws of the respective countries that they are carrying out the proxy marriage. Then there must be evidence of validity. That is, you must provide official documents such as a marriage certificate. Then official confirmation. Sometimes you may need to provide a letter from the government or authority in the country where the marriage took place, confirming that it was properly done and registered and valid under their laws. I would like to emphasize that it is important for you to note that it is the applicant that needs to prove that the proxy marriage is in accordance to the laws of the country which it took place. And that both parties were free to marry. And also the burden of proof may be discharged by production of a marriage certificate issued by a competent authority in the country where the proxy marriage took place. For further inquiries, please do not hesitate to contact me, and kindly take note that my consultation fee would apply. Thank you.